So what we see right now in our clients is that the majority are going through transformation, either strategy, culture, operating model, ways of working. It's a time of significant change. And unfortunately, we know that most transformations fail. And what we observe is it's often down to three core things. And so the first is that often the wrong people are in the lead on the transformation. When companies bring in external partners, consulting firms, often they're the ones in the lead on the transformation work. And it's perceived within the organization that it's the fill-in-the-blank consulting firm transformation project. So what we know is critical is that the individuals in the organization need to feel ownership of the change in order to make it happen. And what we also find interesting is there's a lot of debate about how you create that ownership of the change in the organization. Some more traditional firms, they take a very executive and board-oriented approach to kind of co-authoring with the executive team and then taking a top-down approach to rolling out change in the organization. You'll find others who advocate for a more bottoms-up grassroots effort to change, that's how you actually create change in an organization. What we find to be critical is it's actually both. We need everybody in the organization engaged, feeling involved, feeling heard in a time of change. But ultimately, the leaders of the organization are the ones who need to feel ownership and responsibility to lead the change forward in the organization every day. So we find that we need to engage top down and bottom up at the same time. So at BTS, we use our tools and approaches to bring people in the organization into the process and help them personalize the change, but do it quickly and at scale.